So the ants will stay in the box. There's sugar in there, so they're not going anywhere. They'll crawl around the outside, but that's good because that'll draw the wolf in. Lycosidæ. Wolf spiders. These guys are hunters. They go where the food goes. These are the ants. I hate ants, you know? They just scurry around, scavenging for food wherever they can find it. Anywhere just lying around. They're pests. Yes, this always works. I swear to God. How long did that take? An hour, maybe? Wolf spiders. Imagine any spider. And then imagine the badass version of that spider. That's a wolf spider. Are you nervous? You should be. Just kidding. Jesus, relax. Yeah, so this is my most expensive toy. I got it from a guy in the city last night. His name is Sherman, I think. I never fucking heard that name in real life before. It was crazy, Sherman. Yeah, so this used to belong to him, and I bought it. Now it belongs to me. There are two kinds of pests in the world that I hate more than anything else. The first is ants. And I use sugar to attract the ants. The other kind of pest, I use this to attract the second kind of pest. Look at this fucking guy. You can see the needle marks from here. Yeah, I got a friend who says that that bullets don't kill crackheads. It's the shock to their body. It gives them heart attacks. What do you think he would do if I popped him in the foot right now? Drop dead? Cry out? Not even notice? That happens. These people, they can cut themselves open and bleed out before they even know they're wet. Come on, baby. Take the bait. What? Where's he going? Hey, there's a spider in here. It's not a wolf, though. Or it might be a wolf. It's hard to tell. It's definitely not one of mine. I think it's dead. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Ah! Oh, man, that hurts. Do you see that red spot? Latrodectus. Highly venomous. How'd that get there? I got a